Hello everybody, I hope you all are doing really good. So today I'm going to take you to my backyard garden. I've got a couple of plants here and let me show you. Okay, so that's my robin friend. Oh no, that's another sparrow who comes and visits me every day. I've got a couple of other robin friends, you know, there are 3 robin friends, you can see them. Used to this fountain, you know. I often see them drinking water and taking baths and having lots of fun with their friends. So it's just amazing to be so close to nature sometimes. So yeah, I've put some oats for them. And also I've got another bird bath there. So sometimes they just come and just eat, drink water and take bath and just fly away. Okay, so yeah, let me quickly take you to my strawberries. I've got strawberries here. So you can see the strawberries. These are the strawberries. So let me quickly tell you all about them. Now this has been now here for a while, so I have to pluck that out. Few of my friends, they have been saying, like, you know, they tried to grow the strawberries, but they had lots of problems from slugs and other insects and pests. But let me tell you that, you know, this spot has been always saved from all these pests and insects. I don't know why. Maybe because I think that, you know, I have done this mulching around, and also maybe because it's hanging. It has been always saved from snails and slugs. So I'm going to pluck this off. It's really ripe. You can see. And I'm going to take this one off. Especially if they are grown in our own garden, it really tastes really nice. I'm going to take this one off. Oh, it's a nice aroma of strawberry coming out. It's really hard. I think I need my scissors. So to keep the strawberries away from pests, and I think the best idea is to hang them like this in the pot. But I have seen like a couple of snails attacking my other plants in the hanging baskets, but I don't know, maybe I have put this bark of the tree here in the pot. They can't fall, or I don't know. I have not I've never used any kind of insecticides or pesticides on any of my homegrown things. I've got chilies here, I've got aubergines, I've got leeks here. I'll show you leek. It's really tall. It's tall like a coconut tree now, but I have never used any insecticides ever so far. I've got tomatoes, and whatever I grow, I make sure that, you know, nothing no chemicals are used. Even as fertilizers, I just try to use organic fertilizers, like whatever's been left over, the vegetable peels and all that. I try to convert them into compost and use it. I've got plantain here, and this has been gifted to me by one of my friends, and I've got hibiscus plant. Now hibiscus is really hard to grow here in UK. I had 2 or 3 hibiscus before. They all died when it was winter. Maybe something wrong with the way I took care of them, but this time I have made all the arrangements for the fall. So before the fall starts, I'm going to repot and going to take good care of them. Now I've got some basilices here. Now these also I have to repot them. I've got coriander, mint. So whatever I need for my cooking, I try to grow them backyard, and I try to pluck them just before, a few minutes before I cook, so that they really give me fresh aromas. And here when I come, I've got rose plants here, and some of these ones, plants, we had some kind of pest attack, but one of my friends, she told me to use the dishwashing liquid, to spray it on the flowers, and it can keep away the pests. I tried it and it really worked. So I don't know how far it can be given as an advice, but it really worked for me. So this is the rose, and I bought many of the plants which I have here. I bought from the grocery stores for sale, which was been almost in a dying condition it was, and I felt so pity, and then I brought them home. I took care of them, and look how beautiful they are now. All my flowers, all my so I just, if I find the plants in good condition in the stores, I kind of feel okay, they're okay, doing okay there. But if I see them dying, I definitely make sure that I buy them. Obviously it is really less costlier than the real ones, and also I feel so pity, and then I just bring them home and take good care of them, so they bring them back into life. And I've got some petunias here. See, these ones, this has to be dead-headed, and my hydrangeas are really doing good, and I've got the petunias. I'll tell you one thing, all my friends, they ask, how you try to bring so many blooms on them. The one trick I do is, in the hanging basket, you can use the baby diapers, and put some water in the diaper, soak them, and then you take out the cotton, whatever the substance inside, and put it in the potting soil. I have mixed vermiculite, perlite, and the diaper mix, and the compost, and soil or any other repotting mix you have. Mix them all together and put it in the hanging basket. Trust me, it will give you lots and lots of blooms than you ever expect, ever dream in your dreams. Yeah, so this is another one. This also has been attacked very vigorously by snails. You can see my marigold is almost being damaged by snails. Marigold is a plant, which I like. I think the snails like to munch a lot, the leaves especially. They munch on the leaves of the marigold. I have had a very pathetic death of 2 or 3 marigolds also here, which I could not save them at all. So anyways, I have tried doing this dishwashing liquid spray on them, and then after a while I could see that they have kept the snails away. Now this is another shade of petunia, and this is really lovely. I bought them when she was really small, and she hardly had any buds on it, and now you can see it's like blooming, like it's like covered in the full basket. So yeah, you can see small insects there. It's very tiny, but these are harmless. I have got some wood loves, and they can be dangerous sometimes. You know, they munch almost everything, all the flowers, everything. I've got sunflower here, and on top of my hanging basket you can see the dianthus, and that's the viola flowers, and geraniums. These are of these wheels, and aster, and a couple of other plants I have. So this again, coming back to my backyard, I have got some more plants to be repotted. So I hope I've seen you the hibiscus flower. It's just bloomed today. The hibiscus plants, you know, they just bloom only for a day, and in the evening they just go droop down. So this is the tour of my backyard, and I hope I have given you almost all the information I know about plants and how I take care of them. So this video I've been planning to make for quite a while, but it just was not happening. So I'm glad that, you know, I could make it today. So hope you take care of the plants really well, and you can post your comments, and if you know more about how to take care of the plants, and if you have more ideas, just please put it in the comments below. And yeah, so see you later, and take care of you and your plants. Bye.